Hello YouTube fam. Today, we have some incredibly exciting news to share with you. You can see that banner on my left? Let me explain what's that. According to Vidiq, the leading authority in YouTube analytics, our channel has been recognized as the most unique and exceptional on the entire platform. We couldn't have achieved this without your amazing support, so thank you all from the bottom of our hearts.
Now, you might be wondering, what makes our channel so special? Well, hold on tight because we're about to dive into the reasons why our content stands out from the rest of YouTube.
First and foremost, our channel is built on the foundation of creativity, skill development and new technology development. Our team of dedicated creators works tirelessly behind the scenes to craft videos that not only entertain but also inspire and educate. Moreover, we understand that YouTube is not just about watching videos but also about building connections. Finally, one of the key reasons behind our recognition as the most unique channel on YouTube is our commitment to continuous improvement. So, as we celebrate this incredible achievement, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude to all of you, our amazing audience.
Remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our unique and captivating content. Together, let's continue to make history.